welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying out my speaker, so I'm kind of basically testing it out. I wasn't planning on doing a video, but I had technical difficulties on my last video where I used my microphone. There was a slightly noise. If this failed, then you'll definitely hear a voiceover because that was just horrible. I'm still trying to figure out how to use the microphone. I have it plugged in right here on my shirt, so hopefully it doesn't pick up the noise in the back, because I did move back my makeup vanity by my window. It is really hot that I also have a fan right here next to me, so that's the only way that I can film. If not, then there will be no videos up for you guys because I'll be complaining the whole time that I'm sweating. So today I'm just going to do a blue crazy dramatic as makeup look. So I really hope you guys like it. I honestly didn't know what I was going for, but this is what I got, and yeah, so let me know what you guys think. So let's just go right ahead. So I went ahead and I used the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be using the blue shadow that you guys see right there. I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, and I'm going to use a Morphe M433 brush. I was looking for a different palette because I know I use a lot of Morphe on my videos, but basically I really just have Morphe products everywhere, and for what I was looking for, I couldn't find a palette that had color, so I had to use the Jaclyn Hill and the James Charles palette so I can achieve this makeup look. So hopefully it works out. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right onto my crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my time with it. I am gonna go a little higher than I normally would, just because I really want this color to pop, and I'm doing a sandwich look, so I really want the colors to show and to pop. So you can really don't have to go as high as I do. I honestly feel like I like the look more when it's a little bit more dramatic and a little higher. But if you're trying to keep it a little bit not too crazy, you can definitely tone it down and not go too high as I am. I'm gonna go with one more layer. And I'm just doing circling motions. Today my son turns 7 years old, so we're going to celebrate tomorrow on the 3rd. But yeah. Alright, so for the next color, I'm gonna have to move to the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm gonna have to use this blue shadow that you guys see right there. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a Royal and Langnickel brush. These brushes are amazing. They sell these at Walmart, and you can also get these in Mexico, so I really like that. I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, and I'm bringing that in. Usually when I'm doing a sandwich look, I like to keep the color in the inner corner and outer corner, but with this one I'm gonna just go ahead and go around the eye and just basically following my crease, because I really want the outer corners to pop a lot. So I'm gonna go back with that bluish color again, and I'm going to blend everything out. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab a Morphe M166 brush. I'm going to apply a little bit of setting spray. I am using the Urban Decay All Nighter. You can use whatever spray you have. You can even use water, put it in a spray bottle and just spray it. It's just going to help the eyeshadow not have as much as fallout and help the shadow pop a little bit more. I really like doing this with shadows that are shimmery. It just helps to not have that much of a fallout and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab the blue shadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. That one is a shimmery color, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this in the outer corner and inner corner. And you want to take your time, of course. After that, I'm going to go ahead and bring that in. Usually with the sandwich look, I would not bring the color into the whole lid, but it's going to help us make the next color pop. So after that, so it's all over the lid. If you like how this looks, you can definitely leave it like that, but I want to take it a step forward, higher, and apply this baby blue shadow right here. I'm gonna grab the Jaclyn Hill Morphe, I don't know what brush it is, but it's a flat brush. I'm going to apply some setting spray onto it. Go ahead with that baby blue color, and I'm gonna go ahead and place this right in the center. See, it helped that baby blue pop a lot more, because if I would have applied it by itself, it really wouldn't have done a lot. I mean, you could have seen it, but not as much as you can see it now. So then I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of setting spray on the back of that brush. And then I'm going to dip it into the James Charles, that white one. It really doesn't help because it's not shimmery, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it anyways, because that's what I did on this eye. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of that white shadow onto this one. And then go back with that baby blue and reapply it, just to make it pop a little bit more. You can definitely skip this part if you like. Going back with that blue shimmery shade and reapply it, just so that it doesn't lose its intensity. I really like how that looks. Alright, so I'm going to go with glitter. This is the Heavy Metals from Urban Decay. I believe this is a new one. This is in the color Gammy Ray. It has blue, white, and silver, I believe. Glitters in there. I need glasses, so I'm going to go ahead and follow my crease. Alright, then with my finger, I'm going to go ahead and grab that baby blue and apply it right in the inner corner. And my eye's starting to water. Woo! Because of the fan, it's starting to water a little bit. I'm actually going to use a brush to apply this. Alright, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of that baby blue in here. Make it pop a little bit, you know. So I wanted to save the bottom so I can do it together with you guys. I'm going to grab a pencil brush. And this is like a little tiny one from the Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to grab my setting spray, apply some setting spray on it. And I'm going to grab that blue shimmery shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner and outer corner. Spray my brush a little bit more. Do the other eye. Hopefully you guys can hear the noise on the outside, because I would hate it. Alright, so for the inner corner, I am gonna, with the center, I'm gonna go with that blue, baby blue again. I'm gonna actually grab a little bit of from the Jaclyn Hill and a little bit from the James Charles. They're totally two different baby blues, so maybe I should just apply one and then apply the other one on top. Maybe that will work. Alright, so then I'm going to go back again, spray my brush a little bit, and grab a little bit of the other baby blue. There we go. Alright, so I think I'm done with the look. It looks so bluey. Alright, then I'm going to move on with the lashes. I'm going to use the Bold Makeup Cosmetics, and this one is in Make It Count. I'll link all my discount codes down below if you guys are interested in getting them. I really like these lashes, these ones, and oh my god, Into You are my favorite lashes. So definitely check them out if you guys are interested. I'm going to go ahead and cut them a little bit because they are a little too long. So you always want to cut the outer corner of the lashes. Well, I always do. Honestly, want to do the inner corner, but I always do the outer corner of the lashes just because I like that better. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of eyelash glue. And with my fan, it's actually going to help it dry a little bit faster. So for lips, I'm just going to go with a gloss. This one is Lamar Cosmetics. I have no idea, never heard of them, but I got this in my Boxycharm. If you guys are interested in getting Boxycharm, I'll link that down below for you guys. They have amazing products in the boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this one. It's a gloss, I believe. And the only reason that I'm going with a nude color is because I don't want to empower everything, make it too crazy, and have like a dramatic lip and a dramatic eyes. You can definitely do that if you like. I honestly don't like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash. Alright, I feel like the lip is a little too orangey, I want to say. I don't want to use the same combo that I've been using because I know you guys hate it. Just going to add a little bit of nudie to it. This color is NUDITUDE. NUDITUDE. This is from Time Los Angeles. I'll link it down below. Alright, moving on to mascara. I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. You guys know this is my holy grail. Real quick, because I forgot, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. And a lot of you guys have been asking me, I've been using Staycation a lot. If you guys saw my blog live video that I did when I went to Morphe to get my mom color match for foundation, the girl actually suggested this one and I've been really liking it. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of setting powder just to kind of clean it up. Let it sit for a bit. All the other products I used on my face because I wasn't planning on filming this. I just wanted to get ready, but I'm testing out the microphone. So if I like the video and I upload it, you guys know because the sound worked, I guess I want to say. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean out my contour nose. Alright, so this is the final look. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. Comment down below. But this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might do something with my hair later, but it's really too hot right now for me to even think about it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video. Don't forget to share this video if you guys really liked it. Help a girl out. And